Hey there! Let's dive right into this explainer on setting up the MediaFusion Stremio add-on.
We're tackling this in 3 easy phases: configuring, installing on your PC, and syncing your devices.
What is MediaFusion? It's an all-in-one add-on using advanced scrapers for VOD, live TV, and live sports. Starting phase 1, just head to MediaFusion.elfhosted.com and click Configure Add-on right on the homepage.
Next up, hit Add Streaming Provider. This lets you link the specific services you actually want.
Got a debrid service? Drop your API token here for fast, unrestricted, high-quality streaming links.
Now personalize things. You can easily filter streaming quality, set preferred languages, and prioritize your resolutions here.
All set? Just scroll to the very bottom and click Generate Install URL.
Then hit Install in Stremio and choose OpenStremio.exe to push this straight to your PC.
Moving to phase 2. The Stremio app will launch, so just click Install when prompted.
Look for that add-on installed success message. You'll now see MediaFusion right in your add-ons list. Finally, phase 3. Open Stremio on your target device, like your TV, and select Add-ons. In that Add-ons menu, just go ahead and click the Sync Add-ons button.
Once you see add-ons successfully synchronized, your setup is 100% finished and ready to go.
One crucial heads up on safety. Since it uses torrent sources, your personal IP address is publicly visible.
Because of that, a secure VPN is absolutely essential. It completely masks your digital footprint.
And that's the whole setup.